Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. Somebody sent me a DM asking my opinion on oil. Here it is. From a purely technical standpoint, I wouldn't be selling at this level. We have considerable imbalance price gap above here. Price gap on the daily 1D. If anything, this could look to retrace back into this candle here, this distribution level. Okay, mark that up. That'd be my point of interest. So we're looking at this is a daily sell. Yeah, I mean, a pullback up through here could give us an opportunity to short. So how do we find that? So let's just go and have a look at some of the lower time frame charts. We've got on the 4-hour clearly a imbalance through here. So we'll just call that price gap 4H. This is how I go about looking for an opportunity. I don't want to be buying. I don't want to counter trend trade this. I prefer to trade with the trend. So I'm going to be looking for the opportunity if it comes back into these levels here. Now we do also have on the 4-hour a nested distribution level. So we'll just call that a 4H sell. So we've got a daily and a 4H nested key levels here. We've got this price gap on the daily, 4-hour and 4-hour price gap. I think I'm more interested in that. And the other thing too, if you grab a fib, high to low, this is my range. Pull back, see the 61.8, I think a touch in here, filling this gap and reaching for the bottom end of this 4-hour candle here could be an entry, but then you want to be careful because it can reach up a bit higher than that. If we go down to, so have a look at it on the hourly, let's do a quick top down. Again, we have now an hourly nested imbalance through here, right? So this is definitely my point of interest. If we do see this move back up into here, I would look for potentially somewhere in here, near the 61.8, something like that. The base of this distribution level, that could be an entry, depending on how price behaves there. And then the stop loss would go above, right? But you don't want to just blindly jump in here with with a sell order. Watch this trade up and just see what happens here and see if the setup presents itself. You want to see it trade up, you want to see it ranging, you want to see liquidity above and below the range, and then you want to see it tap into possibly buy-side liquidity if it's going to short, and then it start to roll over. Something like, something like this, and then when you see a strong bearish candle with the pullback in, that's the kind of thing that I'd be looking for. Strong bearish candle with the pullback in, preferably up a bit higher, preferably up in here somewhere. And I mean, if that's the case, if we do roll over here, then the stop loss will come down above the high, and that's a possibility. So that's my take on WTI, how to look for a setup, and just wait for it to invite you in. That's about it, guys. Join my Discord. The link is below. It's free to join. There's a lot of value in there. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.